Welcome back to your maths class. Hope you all are safe and taking good care of yourself. We will continue with our addition chapter, and today we will learn how to find the missing digit in the addition sum. Let us recap quickly what we did in the last lecture. In the last lecture we learned how to do addition with carryover. So we will learn how to find the missing digit in the addition sum. An example is given to us. Here you can see a table where digits and numbers are given and some are missing also. Your dark blue shows the missing digit. So first number, digit of first number is 8, second is missing, third is 7 and fourth is 2. Digit of second number is first is missing in that, second is 9, third is 4 and fourth is also missing. And digits of the sum column is your first from right is 9, second is missing, then is 3 and then is 6 and 1. It is an addition sum, so addition sign is required to be there. So it is also there. Now how to find out the missing digits? To find out the missing digit we need 2 of the digit. 2 is already given from right. If we are going to start, we always start from the lowest place value. So what we will do? When we add 2 number, we will get 9. 1 is not given. 1 is given. We know 2. What to add in 2 to get 9? We know when we subtract 2 from 9, we will get the answer 7. So we will write 7 in the missing column. So 7 comes in the addend at the blank column. Now in the second place, tens place, 7 and 4. 2 addends are already known to us. No carryover is there because 7 plus 2 is 9 only. So 7 plus 4 we simply have to add is 11. So what we will do? 1 we will carry at the second place value at 100 and 1 we will write in the sum column. So 1 as carryover and 1 in the blank column. 9 plus 1 we always add carryover also, that is equal to 10. But one number is missing. We have to add one more digit in that. After adding we are getting something which ends with 3. So it is actually not 3 because our sum is already, by adding 9 and 1 we are getting 10. 10 is greater than 3. So it must be 13. So from 13 when we subtract 10 we will get answer as 3. That will come in the blank column. You have to write that in the blank column and 1 will go as carryover. So 8 plus 9 again we know is 9 since we add carryover number also, but one of the digit is missing. So what we will do? First we will add 8 plus 9 and get 9, 8 plus 1 and get 9, and this 9 we have to subtract from the digits given in the last in sum column. We are getting 16 after adding a digit to 9. So what to add in 9 to get 16? For that we have to subtract 9 from 16 and the answer is 7. So you have to write the missing digit 7 in the column, missing column. So what is the manner to find out the missing digit? You have to subtract or add the given digits known to you. If 2 of the addends are given, just add. If one addend and one digit from some column is given, then you have to do the subtraction. So in this manner students, you have to solve this kind of problem. Thank you students. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.